Introducing the 2021 Ford Puma Titan 5D 1.0T 125 Mhev M6 FWD in sleek grey. This MPV is packed with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging for ultimate convenience. With safety features like ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The interior boasts luxury trim and a load cover. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit jpmg.ie for more information today.